Get ready for the dictation. Start. Again on 6/2/1992, Jumman Shah Khan, advocate was appointed as Mutawalli of the Waqf stop. It is on his application District Magistrate / Collector, Basti was requested to enter the entire village in revenue record as Waqf under the Tawliyat of Jumman Shah Khan stop. Revenue authorities made correction accordingly stop. Subsequently, on the application filed by revisionist, said order was recalled stop. Revisionist claimed that disputed plots are not part of Waqf and hence should be excluded stop. Waqf Board considered the order dated 30/11/1937 of District Waqf Commissioner that village was released as revenue-free tenure in perpetuity. Its income was not shown to be appropriated towards any other charitable purpose, and it was not a mafi within the definition of Waqf, under Act, 1936 stop. However, this order was disagreed by the District Waqf Commissioner and he treated the property as Waqf, and on the basis thereof in the Gazette dated 26/2/1944 it was registered as Waqf stop. Thereafter, it also considered orders of CO dated 25/4/1964 and Civil Judge, Basti dated 3/8/1967 stop. The Waqf Board took the view that since CO's order became final, Board has no authority not to follow the same stop. In these circumstances, it held as under para. In 1944, the entire village might have been Waqf property, but after 1952, there has been a material change stop. The cultivators have acquired Bhumidhari rights and the land in their occupation is no longer Waqf property stop para. It observed that Waqf register be modified in respect to the disputed property and circle inspector be directed to make spot inquiry to find out whether there is any other property in village concerned which is not a Waqf property stop. Circle inspector thereafter submitted reports on 12/7/1993 and 26/8/1993 stop. The matter was considered by Waqf Board in the light of aforesaid report stop. An attempt was made by Jumman Khan to re-agitate the issues regarding 13 plots, disputed in this revision stop. In this regard, Waqf Board held as under para. Sri Jumman Khan has again argued vehemently that the 13 plots mentioned by Sri Sahansah and others are Waqf's property and that they should be continued to be entered in the register of Waqfs accordingly stop. In support of his arguments, he has relied on 1984 ALJ 1432 stop. I do not think it is necessary to discuss the various points which he has raised in his arguments stop. I have already held in my order dated 9/6/1993 that the property in question is not Waqf property stop. It is no longer available to reopen the matter, and on this issue the board has become functus officio stop para. Respondent 3 filed an application dated 12/4/1994 as reference under sections 33 within bracket 1 and 55 within bracket 2 of UP Act, 1960 before Civil Judge Basti, which was constituted as tribunal under section 70 of UP Act, 1960 stop. An objection was raised that reference having been filed after 19 days, it is barred by sections 33 within bracket 2 and 55 within bracket 2 of UP Act, 1960 stop. Preliminary issues number 4 and 8 were framed on this objection stop. However, said objection has been answered against a revisionist by impugned judgment, hence this revision stop para. Besides others, this revision has been contested by respondents on the ground that UP Act 1960 having been repealed by Central Act, 1995 with effect from 1/1/1996, therefore revision is not maintainable stop. First, we propose to discuss this question, whether repeal of UP Act, 1960 by Central Act, 1995 would render this revision not maintainable stop para. We find that this issue has been considered by this court in UP Sunni Central Board of Waqf versus ADJ Court number 3 Muzaffarnagar and others, 2015 within bracket 7 ADJ 460 colon 2015 within bracket 5 AWC 5309, and board has referred Supreme Court's judgment in Sardar Khan and others versus Sayyid Nazmul Hasan Seth and others, 2007 within bracket 10 SCC 727 colon 2007 within bracket 2 AWC 1571 SC, and another judgment of this court in Managing Committee Waqf number 93 through Secretary versus UP Sunni Central Board of Waqf and others, Civil Miscellaneous Writ Petition number 14321 of 2005, decided on 24/7/2014 stop. Paras 10 and 12, wherein aforesaid judgments have been referred to, are reproduced as under stop.